Hello and thanks for joining us. This is Trending News on Housing TV Africa. I am Priscilla Iwurum. The headlines. Nigeria's real estate sector records growth in second quarter 2021. REDAN South East to host Housing Summit. LAFARGE Invest 1.2 billion naira on CSR in host communities in 2020. Public-private sector must work with the mindset that housing is an emergency. Adewole. Now the news in details. Nigeria's real estate sector has enjoyed maximum 3.85% growth in the second quarter of 2021, figures indicating its highest growth in 6 years. This, according to analysis, is due to full reopening of the economy and increased investment interest. The 3.8% growth from data analysis is the sector's highest second quarter growth since the 4.95% growth in Q2 2014. The Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, REDAN South East Zone, is set to host technocrats, professionals, stakeholders, and individuals genuinely interested in the housing and real estate development in their biggest housing summit, with exhibitions holding on Thursday, 30th September 2021 from 9 a.m. The summit, which is called Akolionu 2021, is themed Affordable Housing in the Current Economic Circumstances. It intends to bring various off-takers and stakeholders in the industry to actualize their various dreams and expectations and to buy into the available activities and ideals of REDAN, governments, and key players on opportunities of training, advocacy, database, finance, innovative building materials for effective value, affordable housing schemes, and so on. Southeast REDAN is a fast upcoming development hungry hub of REDAN with intent on meeting the housing needs of that region. Therefore, the summit will gather on board top functionaries of the 3 arms of government, professionals in the building and construction industry, scholars in related discipline in the various higher institutions of learning, indigenous and foreign investors interested in the regional market, real estate practitioners, manufacturers of building materials, research consultants, mortgage and commercial banking experts to chart a way forward for the sustainable growth of the industry in the region. Special attraction at the summit will include red carpet welcome, registration, keynote address, paper presentation by notable stakeholders, technical and interactive sections, questions and answers, exhibition of products and services by participants, corporate presentations, and networking. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back.
Keep a date with Housing Development Program every week on TVC. Housing Development is the first and pioneer housing program in Nigeria and by extension, Africa. It remains the authentic voice of the Nigerian housing and construction industry. Housing Development is the only credible and specialized platform for seasoned professionals in the build industry, where quality and credible players in the real estate sector meet to interact, showcase, and analyze government policies. It is no doubt that hundreds of thousands of prospective Nigerians who desire to own their personal properties have done so through the assistance of Housing Development Program in the last 10 years. If you are a stakeholder in the build industry, here is where you must be. We are authentic, credible, and supported by all the leading professionals in the build industry. Housing Development on TVC.
Thanks for staying tuned. This is still Trending News on Housing TV Africa. Moving on. LAFARGE Africa, the sub-Saharan Africa's leading building solutions company, has disclosed that as part of their corporate social responsibility, they have 1.2 billion naira investment in community development initiatives and COVID-19 support in 2020, which benefited people within its host communities. This being stated in LAFARGE 2020 Sustainability Report presented to investors and the public at the Nigeria Stock Exchange recently, showed that a total of 250,000 citizens benefited from its activities in 2020, which has doubled those ever impacted by similar activities in 2019. The MD and CEO of Family Homes Funds, Femi Adewole, who emphasized during an interview, called on all in the public and private sectors to work with the mindset that housing is an issue of gross national emergency. While enumerating on the efforts so far, the FHF MD disclosed that the support of key stakeholders like the Federal Ministry of Finance and the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing, FHF has committed to the development of about 30,000 homes, with 5,408 of them completed across 8 states and 9,148 under construction, and another 13,543 awaiting takeoff before the fourth quarter of this year. Also adding that through this project, about 64,000 direct and indirect jobs have been created. Adewole, while expressing satisfaction in the recently signed a historic 10 billion Sukuk insurance funds, stated that this landmark transaction is the first ever certified corporate Sukuk issued in Nigeria, and that through the Family Homes Sukuk issuance program, they have successfully completed the issuance of 10 billion naira 7-year 13% series 1 Ijare lease Sukuk due 2028 under the 30 billion Sukuk issuance program. That was the trending news on Housing TV Africa. Now a recap of major stories. Nigeria's real estate sector records growth in second quarter 2021. REDAN South East to host Housing Summit. LAFARGE Invest 1.2 billion naira on CSR in host communities in 2020. And public-private sectors must work with the mindset that housing is an emergency. Adewole. Thanks for watching. For more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Housing TV Africa. Follow us on all our social media platforms and remember to share and like our post. Do not forget to watch Housing Development Program Wednesdays at 9 a.m. on AIT and Saturdays at 10:30 a.m. on TVC. Thanks for watching. I am Priscilla Iwurum.